This is Potensic Atom, and in today's video I'll show how you can perform the remote controller calibration in this drone. So first, launch the camera view of the Potensic Pro application, then to your right tap at the settings. Here select the calibration section, scroll down, then tap at the remote controller calibration, and now simply follow the instructions that you'll see on your screen. First, we'll need to make sure that the control sticks are in the middle position, so in the resting position. Then press the start calibration button, and now push the stick to all four sides, should I say, top, bottom, left and right, to their maximum 100% values, and the same goes for the right stick as well. So once you see those green check, or well, white check icons in the green circle, that means that whatever axis they are identifying, the calibration of this axis is successful. Now we can also calibrate the wheel. So move it all the way to the left, then all the way to the right. And as you can see, the calibration succeeded. So that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.